guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited to be sharing this video with you guys because it is a collaboration with Faith. She sent me this photo to recreate. Sorry I am not talking in this video because I did have a root canal done on my two bottom teeth and I was still numb and I didn't want to sound funny. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Like always, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using the Morphe eyelid primer. Now just picking up the shade Escape from the James Charles palette, I'm going to be placing that on my inner and outer corner using a crease brush by e.l.f. Now grabbing a Morphe M506, I'm going to pick up the shade Single and blend out Escape. Now with a Morphe M514, I'm going to be mixing Rusted and 518 and blending it above my crease. Now picking up a fluffy brush, this is the Morphe 441. I'm going to be picking up the shade B and blending it above my crease as well. And now I'm just going to go back and forth, blending all the shades together, making sure everything is blended seamlessly. Now grabbing my Morphe M421, I'm just going to be picking up a little bit of concealer and creating a halo eye. Grabbing the Morphe M326, I'm going to be picking up the shade Social Blade and placing it in the center of my lid. Now grabbing the Morphe 506, I'm just going to be blending Escape and Single just to make sure it is blended with Social Blade. Now grabbing face on a Morphe 506, I'm just going to be placing that where I put Social Blade. Now grabbing my Morphe gel liner on a Morphe M250-1, I'm just going to be creating a winged liner. Now all the same steps we did on the top of our eyes, we're just going to be doing it on the bottom using the same brushes. Now to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to be picking up the shade Face on a Morphe 508. Next, just go ahead and apply some mascara and prep them for false lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are called Camisole by Kiss Lashes. And they're so dramatic and I love these lashes. Hands down, these are my favorite lashes to wear with any dramatic eye look. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and go ahead and check out Hannah Faith's channel. Her link will be in my description box. She tried to recreate a look I gave her. If you want to see what it is, go check it out. Like always, please like and subscribe and leave